Hey guys, it's April. A lot of you have had the question about how to install a font on mobile. Now I am on iOS, and so if you're not using the same app, it's going to be slightly different. But I am using the Anyfont app. And when you open up that app, you can see it will show you all of your already installed fonts right down here at the bottom. It may not be absolutely clear on this recording. You may not be able to see everything, but I'm going to walk you through the steps. This will show you all of your already installed fonts. If you want to install a different font, you can click right here, install your own fonts, and you can go to font bundles or install one of your others. Let's see. If you click the plus button to add, there are several places, and here's DeFont. So I'm just going to go to DeFont. It's going to open it up for me, and I'm going to search for a font. I'll just take this one here since this is just a tutorial. No, that one's a little thin. I probably wouldn't ever cut it. I'll just take this Viera. So I'm going to hit download, and it's going to download the font. There I am. Done. Finished downloading. Now I press OK. Then I can just X out of this, close it, and you see right here is the Viera. Like I said, it may not be clear, but that is it right there on the bottom. So I'm going to click on that. And this is going to open up and ask me to install it. Viera OTF. So I'm going to click install. And it says this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? You may or may not get this pop up, but if you do, you're just going to say allow. And it's going to say that that profile is downloaded. And it's in my settings app if I want to install it. So I'm going to hit close, and then it tells you right here to go to your settings, general, and profiles to install it. So I'm just going to swipe up and hide it. I'm going to go to my general, and you can see right there, there it is. But I went to general, and then I went to profiles. You'll see it in there, profiles. And then if you're like I am, it's going to ask you for your security code, and you're going to enter that. And then it's going to bring you right here. And then you're just going to click on it, and it says, you know, here's all it is. It's not signed, all of that, more details. That's going to be on all of them. I'm going to, right here at the top, click install. Okay? And then when you do that, it's going to ask for your passcode, and I'm going to do that really quick. I say I am, if I can click all of the buttons. Okay, so I entered my passcode, and now it says here's the configuration profile installs the Viera font, and I'm going to hit next. It says the profile is not signed. Most of them are going to say that. Say install, install, and there it is. Click done, and it is installed. So you can see those two there. I have those installed on my iPad. I am going to go over here. I'm going to go to Anyfont. And these are the list of downloaded fonts, and you can go to already installed. And if you go down and you scroll into the V's, where that one was at, there it is. So I know that it installed on my iPad because it's in here in my already installed fonts. So let's go over to Cricut Design Space, and let's go on text. And there's one I just did previously, just to make sure everything was working. And I'm going to go to System, and I'm going to type in the name of that font. Did I spell it right? Is it V-I-E? No, not there. Wow. And that's normal, okay? And I knew it wasn't going to be there, but when you go looking for it, it's not there. And the reason is I'm already signed into Cricut Design Space, and therefore it doesn't know. So I have to go in and I have to sign out. I'm signed out of Design Space. Now I'm going to sign right back in. That's all I'm going to do. And I'm going to enter my password or Face ID. I'm going to hit go. Now I'm going to come back over here to a new project. I'm going to hit text. I'm going to go to my system. And I'm going to type in that font again. Did I spell it right? There it is. V-I-E-R-A. There's my font. So now I have the font installed. And it is that easy to install your font using the Anyfont app. Again, there are several apps out there, And you're just going to follow the on-screen prompts. They will walk you through putting your fonts in. You may not know where everything is at and have to go and find that button, but they are there. If you just check through there, you'll find it. If you have any, get stumped on any, let me know. I'll try to download the app and do you a video for those. If you have any more questions, please just let me know.